Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Exciting Cook Time. Today let's prepare this authentic Goan Beef Xacuti loaded with various spices. This recipe is very easy to make yet very delicious. So let's start the preparation. I have marinated this 1 kg beef with some salt, 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste and kept it aside for 30 minutes. You can also apply the Xacuti masala to the meat and leave it overnight so that the beef nicely soaks in the spicy flavors. Now I will add 1 cup of water and pressure cook the beef and take it off the flame after 3 whistles. Allow the steam to evaporate before opening the cooker by lifting the nozzle with the help of a spoon and set it aside. In a heavy bottom pan, add 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 large onions finely chopped and saute till the color changes slightly. Then add 1 large chopped tomato and saute until it's nice and mushy. Now add the Xacuti masala. I will leave a link of the Xacuti masala in the description below, or you can click the link on the top right corner of the screen to know more. Add around 3 cups of water and mix. You can check the consistency of the gravy and adjust the amount of water. Add curry leaves and the pressure cooked beef when the gravy starts to bubble. Add 3 bay leaves and cover and cook for about 7 to 8 minutes on a medium heat. Now if you need, you can check it and add more salt as per your taste and cook it without covering until the gravy thickens. So here's our beef Xacuti ready to be served, which looks so yummy. Guys, I hope you really liked this recipe. If you did, then give it a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. Do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, take good care of yourself and bye for now.